This aircraft is the smallest airplane ever to carry the call sign Air Force One. When General Eisenhower left the Army, he and Mamie bought a farm in Gettysburg, Pennsylvania. They lived there and traveled there, made that their retreat. When he took office as president in 1953, he went to his Air Force One pilot, Colonel William Draper, and said, "I'd like to go back to the farm regularly. They won't let me fly on a helicopter, and it really is hard to drive a presidential motorcade 150 miles. Find me an airplane." And after a competition, the Air Force chose the Aero Commander 560A. They actually bought it straight off the factory floor in Bethany, Oklahoma.
This airplane became available through an auction in Oklahoma 23 years ago. And at that time, it was a very tired, unappreciated, worn out little Aero Commander. After buying the airplane and researching it, finding out what the history was, it was decided it needed to come back to its original state. It's the last L-26 that anybody's aware of that's in civilian hands. It was at the bottom of the barrel at that point. There was nothing left to do than to start from scratch, which would be to do all the sheet metal repair, take the entire interior out of the airplane, and rebuild it as well as we could to keep it a flying airplane.
So the aircraft is painted in a factory paint scheme. This is exactly the way the airplane came off the factory floor. When the Air Force acquired the aircraft, all they added was the stars and bars and the United States Air Force on the engine. President Eisenhower liked those colors. Commemorative Air Force acquired the aircraft in 2019. And we set about looking for a mission. It's not a typical warbird like the Commemorative Air Force flies. But one of the things that's unique about the airplane, and one of the reasons that Colonel Draper chose it for the president, was because of the easy access in and out of the cabin. So we developed a program called Victory Flights for Veterans. And what that means is we will take those veterans that either don't have the financial capability or don't have the physical capability, put them in a presidential aircraft, and take them on a ride as a way of saying thank you for your service.
As a single owner, I was really not able to promote, advertise, get the sort of exposure that the CAF is able to do so good. I can't believe the attention the airplane's gotten at this first show that the airplane's been at under their ownership. It's wonderful. I think more people have had an opportunity to stop and really see this at this one air show than in the 23 years I've had the airplane and tried to share it with the public. So I think, in fact, I know the airplane's in the right place now. It's going to be cared for and appreciated, and will be here probably long after I'm gone, and that's really makes me happy.